Okay, for today's assignment, you go to announcements. You're gonna need to watch this video that will tell you what we're learning about. It'll get it so that your mind's in the right spot to know what we're even going to discuss today. Read through the announcements. This right here is just an image, so if it shows up as a lock for you, it's okay, because it's linked to a Google document with it already in it for you later, but it's about the different historic lenses. This here you need to pay attention to. Your directions here are when you get to the Quizlet, you can study by using flashcards, playing Gravity, or clicking Learn. Make a 5-question multiple choice quiz and take it until you get a score of 80 or higher, screenshot it. So you need to have the settings looking like this. And so I've circled. But apparently right here, you cannot select starred because you have to go back into Quizlet and you have to actually star the items yourself. If you don't do that, you'll get a 26-question one. So for example, here we go. The link in modules, go here to the top, click modules, click historic lenses, read the directions. This link brings you your answers. So you're gonna fill in the chart and you're gonna use the link here to find the answers. You're gonna complete a Quizlet and take a screenshot. This link tells you how to do a screenshot on any device in case you don't know how. And then you'll submit your assignment. But to take this quiz on Quizlet, you're gonna need to go to Quizlet. Mine comes up automatically as 5 multiple choice questions, but some students are saying theirs is not. So to fix that, hit back. And you should be on the main page here. You'll see a butterfly over there, that's my page. Scroll down and you'll see the terms. You're only doing the 5 lenses that you filled in the chart about. Star it, click the star, the yellow star here, and go down, political, all right? Go through and click those 5 terms, and then go back up to the top, select test, and then yours probably won't say 5 multiple choice. You have to scroll down, options. And this is how you want it to be selected, create new test. And then you take it, you check your answers, and you take it until you get an 80. Fix that. Paste your screenshot here. Second page of your notes. Do not share it with me. Change it to look like this. Go to share. You gotta make a copy. That's the first part of the directions. Make sure that you save this and it says anyone can get a link. Copy the link, back to Canvas, your submit button, and you'll scroll about halfway down and enter the URL that you copied.